Hi there, I'm Michael Gillespie. I'm a musician and songwriter from Donegal, and I took part in the Home with the Henry Girls, so songwriting residency week in Malin for 2022 as part of the Earagail Arts Festival. I'd never done a week like that before, and honestly I went in with almost no expectations, not really knowing what to get out of it. And really some of the big takeaways for me: number one, it's such a positive atmosphere to be in. It's a really, really inclusive environment to be in for all different levels across the board of experience. Which is actually kind of nice, was that you had such a cross selection of experiences there, but the way the girls conducted the week, it was very, very relaxed, very informal. The mornings were such a great kind of almost musical therapy, which was kind of really good. Actually, it really set everybody into the same frame of mind. I found the same thing too, actually, just the chance to do collaborative writing, and just honestly the bigger part of it was kind of meeting people. And I've done a couple of shows and wee sessions with some of the people I met on the course since, which is actually really cool. Also the guys themselves, the Henry Girls, I can't speak highly enough of. They really, really did a fantastic job in that week. It's really, they're just a great force to be around. The setting in Malin too is astounding, and no, I have to say it was definitely a very creative week, and very a great week to kind of get yourself out of yourself, if that makes sense. But I definitely recommend it. Very relaxed, very informal, but incredibly useful, and just really focuses on the actual fun aspects of music and writing and the benefits of that, and just all around a positive experience.